Hey, how's it going everybody? Christine from PanickedPixel here. So it's been about 2 years since I last got an Umai Crate, and today we are back with another Umai Crate unboxing over here. So the last time I got this in 2017, this was what I said. But yeah, I'm largely disappointed by the quality control in general. First of all, this pamphlet over here has like information that's like kind of off, doesn't seem to be correct. This one over here, I was actually looking forward to something like this. This seems really yummy, but the packaging is just broken up and stuff. The last time we did an unboxing, I was basically quite disappointed with the Umai Crate. And you may be asking why I decided to get another one. So I became a victim of marketing. So they had a Halloween special, after Halloween special. And basically what they said was that they would give you an extra Halloween themed instant noodles thing if you use a specific code. And I was just like, haven't had an Umai Crate in a while. Maybe they've changed, maybe it's actually worth it now, especially with the coupon code. So here we are. We have the normal Umai Crate box, which is this yellow one over here. The design is still largely the same from last time, and you have the character here at the back. I'm not sure if that was there when I last opened this up, but yeah. And then in addition to that, they sent me an extra parcel, which has the pumpkin ramen. I actually don't like pumpkin. I was hoping that I would get the brains ramen or something like that. But here we are. This is what we got. So we're just gonna open up this box over here. So opening this up. Is a very, very difficult position. So as usual, they have given us a leaflet of what is in this month's box. And then I think now they have been giving out these recipe cards. So this month's recipe is Harusame Harumaki, which is kind of like a spring roll with made out of chikua and like with slices of bacon. That actually sounds really good. I might actually try that out. I've been doing a lot of like Japanese recipes in my spare time whenever I feel like cooking. That's a thing. So I'm gonna just kind of take a look at this month's theme before I continue carrying this box around and trying to get the ramen noodles out for you guys. I think they've foregone the whole theme because like they don't have they have not said any themes around here at the moment. So they just say what's in the Umai Crate. So we have some plum topping stuff, spicy ramen, yuzu somen, Japanese style butter soy sauce spaghetti. Spaghetti! They do spaghetti now. Cool. Yuzu somen. So there's oh yeah, I already said somen. Okayu kitchen sea lettuce and clam, samurai ramen, seafood vermicelli noodles, vermicelli, I don't know how to say it, and umakoro seafood shrimp ramen. All right, so right off the bat, just looking at these, I think I actually have not seen this around town. Perhaps the Okayu kitchen sea lettuce and clam I've seen around, but otherwise, I think I actually don't have to go window shopping just to like confirm stuff. Not like last time. So yeah, the last crate I got, I probably found like 3 or 4 of them in my local supermarkets. They're still actually selling those varieties right now. And every time I see them in the supermarket, I just think about Umai Crate and I'm like, so yeah, so I'm actually pretty happy with this month's variety. So up over here at the top, we do have the vermicelli noodles. I actually like the packaging of this. The last one they gave me with like which was like the dry noodles and stuff. That was like pretty big and whatever. So this is a nice kind of compact packaged not instant noodles, but vermicelli noodles. I think this will go very nicely with I don't know, like maybe the miso soup that I make. I don't know. We'll see. This is interesting. I like that. So this is the spaghetti, bata shoyu. I've never tasted butter shoyu spaghetti. So supagete. Oh, that just literally means spaghetti. I really need to work on my katakana. I read these things so slowly. You should see me in karaoke. Yeah, so another interesting one. I feel like these are healthier than your normal types. I'm kind of like pressing down on these, and they seem to be not like the fried dry type noodles. So these are actually like, yeah, this seems like you can't see it. What am I even trying to do? But yeah, these seem like fresher noodles. Other than that, ooh, it's always these cups that like don't really survive through like the journey. This is the spicy one. If you've seen my spicy Korean noodles challenge thing, you know I'm really bad with spicy stuff. So this is probably going to my dad. But then again, like Japanese people, when they say spicy, it's usually not so spicy, because I have eaten like a bunch of these spicy ones with like, you know, with this kind of packaging, and it's actually not too bad. So I might try this out, but probably sharing with my dad and that. So this is, I can't recall, but this should be like the seafood-ish ramen. Yeah, it says seafood on it. So that, this doesn't seem as exciting, but maybe it's just the packaging. But in my experience, when like the packaging kind of looks like this, I don't usually enjoy it that much. I'm gonna kind of like a little on that. All right, so this is like the yuzu. Is it the yuzu? No, this is the. So this is the Okayu Kitchen Sea lettuce and clam. So okayu is also known as rice porridge. So that's something I did not know. I know these rice porridge things are pretty popular. I've had one of the like an okayu type thing before, and it was by cup noodles. So it, instead of like having the seafood cup noodles, it was like seafood okayu, and I didn't really enjoy that much, because I love porridge, don't get me wrong. I love congee. Sometimes at work I will go out for lunch and just eat congee, and people judge me for it because I eat like an old lady. But yeah, I did not like the flavor of that. It was just really weird to me. Like the rice didn't really mix well. The water and the rice weren't just like coming together very nicely. So I'm hoping this will be better. I'll check in with me on that later on. Next thing in the box is, what was this again? This is the yuzu somen. So somen, that's like, I don't know, such a foreign way of saying that. So somen is not usually something I personally like. Normally I go for udon or ramen. So I'm interested in seeing what this is like. This is by Ace Cook, and Ace Cook has done like a lot of different ramens that I've tried. But I don't know, with Ace Cook, it's kind of like, it's always kind of like that middle ground when it comes to ramen. Like, I usually feel like it's not bad, but it's not great either sometimes, or it tends to go more towards the not so great side. So interesting, but I'm also kind of like not really expecting too much from this because it is Ace Cook. So other than that, you do have this plum topping thing. It's not a ramen. Description here says ume is a Japanese plum and it's very popular in Japan. Yup. It has a distinct sour flavor. This tube makes it easy to add ume to all kinds of food to enhance your Japanese cooking. Try it with noodles or vegetables. I think maybe I'll see if I can try this out with some vegetables and stuff. I do like sour stuff. I haven't really played around with like using ume and stuff in a dish. And then the last thing is samurai. Oh my god, I need some water or something. So the last thing in the box is this samurai ramen. So I've heard of samurai ramen before. I think it's a particular way of like making ramen, or like it just has like particular toppings in it. But it seems like this is a bit out of the traditional way of doing it, because it does have tomatoes. Tomatoes are not what do you call that? It's not very local to Japan. I'm pretty sure it wasn't like as common during the samurai ages and stuff. But basically, this is boasting that it has no animal. That's great. No MSG, no garlic, no onion. So yeah, I feel like this is pretty interesting. What does this say? Enjoy this super healthy ramen. It is made without ingredients derived from animals, MSG, food dyes, and preservatives. The soup is a classic Japanese flavor blend of miso, soy sauce, and sesame seeds. So yeah, that's probably where the samurai thing comes from. Correct me if I am wrong. But yeah, this is pretty interesting. So that's the main box down. Let's open up the pumpkin ramen that they gave me for free with the special code and stuff. So I was actually surprised that I got like a second box, because I thought that they would kind of like dump it into the main box. But I mean, I guess it makes sense that they separate it, because you do have people who use the code and people who didn't use the code. I think a nice touch would have been to have a branded box instead of like a no brand one, which I was just like concerned, because like I don't know, like who I don't know anyone from Japan who would like randomly send me a gift. Like, what the heck is that? I thought, somebody like sending me like weird stuff. But yeah, so here they have like a little piece of paper that says, we hope you enjoy your bonus gift. Looks like they just printed it on like an A4 paper and just cut it out and stuff. And I mean, they literally, this is the only thing in the box. All right. So this is pumpkin ramen. Behold. There's really no description on what this is and what it's made of, but obviously it just says pumpkin ramen, and I can't read the rest of it because my Japanese is not great. But it seems like there's a lot of vegetables in it, so it's like a healthy option or something like that. So yeah, I mean, they got me with the marketing for like, the Halloween themed ramen. I was really hoping I'd get the brains one, but I didn't. But other than that, I think this month's box was actually pretty worth it. And just compared to like 2 years ago, it seems like they're really going the healthier route with these instant noodles, because it's kind of crazy if you think about it, right? They give you like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packages of instant ramen, and obviously you can't keep eating like 8 packages of instant ramen in a month. And if it weren't like a healthy option and stuff, that would be pretty bad for you. And like, I'm pretty sure people would just unsubscribe for health concerns and stuff. But I kind of like the direction that they're going with like the choices and stuff. And again, like I said, these ones that they sent this month are things that I haven't seen around Hong Kong, because in Hong Kong they tend to just have like the easily like found ones in Japan or something. So it's a lot of it is the unhealthy options. And I also like the recipes. They do print it in a really nice thick card and stuff, which I think is pretty useful when you are actually cooking. But yeah, so I think for me, again, like, I think my comment's still the same as before. I think this is best enjoyed when you subscribe to it like every other month. If you're like me, who like just kind of casually eats instant ramen, I guess casually casually I eat it like probably like every other week, or if not longer and stuff. Actually, one thing to note is that last time I got an Umai Crate, I ended up not eating a lot of it, and a lot of it ended up expiring. So let's hope that doesn't happen here. So in any case, I hope you enjoyed that quick unboxing of Umai Crate and some of my thoughts 2 years later after my last unboxing. If you are interested in more of my gaming, geek, and tech ramblings, feel free to hit that subscribe button and click that cute little bell for upload notifications. Once again, I am Christine from PanickedPixel. I hope you had a phenomenal week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!